Every day, we use things that are a result of innovative technology and inventions to make our life safer and more comfortable. The continuous desire to improve our lives has led to important advancements in our history. VANGEST, a unique cluster of specialized companies, offers state-of-the-art solutions to high-demanding industries worldwide: automotive, aerospace, electro-electronics, food, and medical. Everything starts with good design. Taking a great idea to functional prototype with a variety of our rapid prototyping and rapid manufacturing solutions. In our state-of-the-art mold-making facilities, we design, engineer, and manufacture highly complex molds. From very small molds up to 35 tons big molds. High-performance and reliable molds are designed at our in-house development facilities. We adapt smart solutions to achieve maximum productivity and efficiency in our products. Our testing and validation center, one of the largest in Europe, is equipped with the best-in-class machinery and infrastructure to test and validate a diverse range of our injection molds. For over 20 years, we have been providing quality control solutions for the industry. In our advanced checking fixture development facilities, we offer innovative ideas for quality control of complex parts and mechanisms. VANGEST Injection Molding Factory provides high-quality production using exclusively electric injection machines. High quality and on-time delivery can only be achieved with high standards and constant focus. Because we always promise you consistent quality and reliability. We employ highest levels of project management techniques to consistently achieve great results. Our people remain the most valuable part of our success. The health and safety of our people is our priority. Knowing the very essential requirements of our industry, we created a modern and environmental friendly infrastructure to maximize productivity in whatever we do. And we strive to continuously improve our dynamic workplace. We put forth passion for life, passion for precision.